there's something I want to correct. A very, very wrong impression that has been circulated by people, especially people from Anidu. Take a look at what this person wrote. That the people of Ubulu kingdom are from the great Igodomigodo. What a very funny statement.
There's a place now called Ubulu in Delta State. There was a king there, I would say a duke, while he was still under the Oba of Vini.
Now take a very good look at this fruit. Yes, do you recognize it? Yes, I know you recognize it as my Igbo brother. Mkpụrụ osisi nikwa akpọ Ụbụlụ inu na Igbo. I want akpọ Ụbụlụ because it looks like the human brain. In fact, the people who lived and tasted it in my own community said the fruit is so sweet that it is indescribable and it has the look of the brain of an animal. So they call it Ụbụlụ. You already know what Ụbụlụ inu is in Igbo land. This tree, it has not the same name, it has not the same meaning, it is not found anywhere in Benin Kingdom today. That is the tree that my community was named after. My community is Ubulu, not Ubulu, or Ubulu, or Obo, or whatever useless names they call it in their own kingdom. They have a name for my community because we have relevance. And because their king, the Oba, must come to Ubulu for his own coronation. I'm tired of talking about these people, make them have some sort of relevance in my conversations every day. But because they always pop up in my DM and in my comment sections to make claims of what they know nothing about, that is why I usually make videos to correct them. This video is directly targeted at replying this ignoramus that made this comment here that Ubulu belongs to the great Igodomigodo. It is your own Igodomigodo people that come to Ubulu to complete their own rights of ascension to the throne of Benin Kingdom. Till tomorrow, I have posted pictures of your Oba coming to Ubulu to do these rites. And in the epochs where there were no photographs, we have historical documents of your people coming to my place to do their own coronation rituals. We have no business coming to Benin to do any rite in terms of our ascension to the throne of Ubulu Kingdom. So this should set the record straight. Oyu Ubulu Kembo and the tree called Ụbụlụ is known all over Igbo land. And the communities called Ụbụlụ are no fewer than 20 scattered all over western Igbo land and the eastern parts of Igbo land. Thank you and do have a very pleasant day. I hope this video corrects this impression once and for all so that I don't have to make any other videos next time to explain that Ubulu has no sort of relationship with Benin Kingdom. Yes, we have pockets of migrants in my community who are from Benin. Doesn't imply in any way that we are from Benin. The people who peopled Ubulu Kingdom are from different groups. Some lay claim, just few, to Benin Kingdom. Don't lay claim to the entire town. Because this is a community that coronates the Oba of Benin. Not jokes. You can look at the pictures I have shared here to clarify whether I'm joking or making claims that are unfounded.
And then don't choke me. Governing me ya bo ogun. Mako aso no Oba. Oge gbebe Oba on the no ge. Won na aba jakpo pe dai. Abo eke, we mesi abo. We yile, o yile no. Azu. We say eyime. We mesa ko ewepo waya. O ma ho anya. We mo bo edome. On voit des domaines. Boisson, ouais, on dit choupe, on dit choupe. Bon, des gars, je vais y abonner. Ouais, que vous, maman, non, mais ouais, que vous, mon seigneur, ça, ouais, que déjà vous, déjà, bien. Même si à voir ça, on dit choupe. Bon, More men am with the may have. Oh, my little way can go bamboo. No, remember when Mr. Corbett is
Thank you and do have a very pleasant time.